Hi families, I wanted to make a quick video about tonight's homework. The homework is asking students to use place value strategies to solve the problems. We've been really focusing on the arrow way. We started talking about it yesterday, and I would highly recommend and suggest that students use this strategy tonight so that they can have as much practice as possible. The arrow way, students might be familiar with it from first grade, but basically it's a strategy that allows them to show me what they did in their brain, what they did as far as mental math. So for a problem such as 60 plus 38, a lot of students can just do that in their brain, but I would like to see what they can do. And it's also, these numbers are fairly simple right now, but they will get much more complex because we're going to go all the way up to 1,000. So even if your child can just do this really quick in their head, I would highly suggest that they show the arrow way. So for this one, 38 plus 60. So for this one, I would start with the 38. And the arrow way is where you just literally draw an arrow. And you're either going to add 10, subtract 10, add 1, subtract 1. So for this one, since we're adding 60, we're going to be adding 6 tens. So 38 plus 10 is 48, 58, 68, and so on. I'm not going to go all the way. But this is a really, I know it might seem a little tedious, but it's a really good strategy because when they get to problems like this one, where they have to think about it backwards, it's going to help them. So for this one, they would actually start at 17 and count up to 87. So 17 plus 10 is 27, plus 10 is 37, plus 10 is 47. If they go all the way up to 87, then they could just look at what they added up top, plus 10, 20, 30, blah, 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 and they could count that all up to get their answer. So the arrow way, again, they're doing it in their brain. They're not, counting on their fingers. They're not drawing pictures. They're not doing any of that. But it's just a way to show what they did. There's also a homework support video on my website for this. Like, it walks you through every single problem. If you find that helpful, please use it. But I just wanted to touch base and let you know that that's the strategy that we are currently working on. Thank you.